welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I have some goodies from Makartt. So with Mother's Day approaching, you guys know that they have their sale going on, which gives you 15% off your entire order. So if you are a mother, be sure to send this video to your kids, to your husband, to whoever, and tell them they need to hook you up with some products from Makartt. So this time I got the 12 color nail extension gel kit, which I can't wait to open and see what colors to come with. I also have another little polygel, and then these are the pump ups. So these are their press on nails. It comes with 24 nails, 12 different sizes, and y'all, that ombre is to die for. So most likely I'm gonna be blinging them out because, you know, I'm just a little extra like that, but I definitely will be wearing these. I have the perfect outfit to go with them. And then these are the stiletto nail tips. The previous video that I used some stiletto nail tips, and they were like the full wheel nail tips. So these are the regular nail tips, and I can't wait to use some. So again, they are the stiletto nail tips, and it comes with, I believe it's 500 clear extra long stiletto nail tips. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open that big boy up. So let's get right to it. Alrighty, so this is what, oh my god, y'all, I was not expecting for it to be this freaking pretty. Like, oh my god, I can't wait to try this. So again, this is the 12 color nail extension gel kit, and y'all, this right here is so beautiful. Look at that packaging, like that is so freaking cute. So it comes obviously with 12 different colors, definitely giving me all of the spring vibes that I absolutely needed. It looks like we have, I believe they're all glittery. You can kind of tell by the little like label at the front. It looks like they would be glittery. So let's take a look. Oh yes, so it's definitely shimmery. So this is the first color. Hold on. Alrighty, y'all, so I wasn't even planning on swatching this polygel kit, but after seeing this first color, I have to. So I'm gonna be using their 2-in-1 brush and picker, and y'all, look how pretty this is. Like, I just love how they stuck with the same color scheme throughout. I'm talking about throughout the entire set. I mean, all of the bottles, the base coat, the top coat, the nail file. The only thing that's not colorful like that are the dual forms, but this is the only other thing that it came with other than all of this. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, y'all, so this is what the colors came out to look like, and they are absolutely beautiful. I definitely love the shimmer. I love the different colors that they included, and they went on super easily, so definitely recommend it. But up next, I'm gonna be applying the pump ups. As you can see, it comes with the little sticky tabs, an orange wood stick, and an alcohol wipe. I just went ahead and applied them with that, but of course you could always apply them with glue if you want to keep them for longer than one day. So I'm just going to go ahead and bling them out, because you guys just know I love my bling and I love being a little extra. But as I mentioned earlier, you can just, you know, leave them how they are. They're really pretty like that as well. Alrighty, y'all, so this is how they turned out. Obviously they were beautiful before, but I just had to bling them out. So they turned out super cute. Definitely love how the bling just made everything just pop, and that length and the shape, y'all, is perfect. So again, all of these products were from or are from Makartt. We had the pump ups, we had the Polygel kit, which I'm still absolutely in love with this set. The colors again are beautiful. I think my favorite two definitely have to be the yellow and green, which they look really similar in color, but I just love that shimmer, and I definitely can't wait to create a set using those colors. Also my press-on nails, I had to go back to them because y'all, they just look so good. So they definitely do have a different styles, so be sure to go check them out. And as I stated, you can just leave them how they come, or you can just go ahead and bling them out. And then the false nails, those definitely come in handy as well. They are the stiletto nails, and that way you don't have to spend so much time on shaping because they're already pre-shaped. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out their website for their Mama's Day sale, which give you 15% off select items. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.